Hello everyone, I'm here to introduce myself and give you a little bit more background about myself. I am Jen Sforza. I went to NJCU University where I got my bachelor's degree in Spanish. I was a Spanish teacher for about 2 to 3 years before I had my kids, and then I became a stay-at-home mom. During this time being at home, I was able to continue my love for reading. I read a lot of books, and that's where I came to know that I always wanted to pursue my education a little bit more, and if I did get the chance to, then I would definitely become a librarian, which is where we're at now. Just a quick little book lovers Pinterest page for you guys. My other screencast also shares a little bit more about my love for Jane Austen and for Pablo Neruda. I also really enjoy Turkish dramas, if you have not gotten that from my web pages. And that's that. Thank you so much. Bye.